For thousands of years, we have looked up at the stars, inventing gods and technologies to feel a little less alone. And during all that time, every telescope, every survey has returned a frustrating and deafening silence. Until now. With the launch of the James Webb Space Telescope and a new generation of radio telescopes, science has gained access to data that was once impossible to capture. This new information is revolutionizing astronomy. But why are scientists so worried? What is this data that is causing such astonishment? Stay until the end to discover the 5 cosmic mysteries that are at the center of today's greatest debates and speculations. Mystery 1. The planet that breathes. The first mystery takes us to the exoplanet K2-18b. Recently, the James Webb Space Telescope pointed its mirrors there and detected an intriguing signal: the presence of dimethyl sulfide. To us, the name might not mean much, but to an astrophysicist, it's a cosmic alarm bell. Here on Earth, this molecule is produced almost exclusively by plankton in our oceans. It is, quite literally, a byproduct of life. The anomaly is clear. The chemical models we use to understand alien atmospheres say this molecule simply shouldn't be there. So either our science books are fundamentally wrong, or something alive is breathing on that distant world. Mystery 2. The radio signal with a schedule. A second mystery was identified shortly after. The Breakthrough Listen project, using the Green Bank radio telescope, picked up something that defies logic. A narrow-band radio signal at a frequency of 982 megahertz. The most shocking part? It repeated in a precise 237-second loop for 6 straight days. Natural pulsars don't do that. They are chaotic. They don't use metronomes. Our laws of physics say this is impossible, unless it isn't natural. Mystery 3. The interstellar visitors. Let's move to the third mystery, which involves not 1, but 3 visitors from outside our solar system. 2 of them, Oumuamua and 3I Atlas, exhibited features that don't match those expected from comets. Oumuamua accelerated as it passed the Sun without outgassing, defying gravity. As for 3I Atlas, which is being more closely observed, it also acts outside the norms, showing course deviations, unexplained speed variations, and other anomalies that you can understand better by watching the video in the card above. The story of these 2 interstellar visitors becomes even stranger when compared to another cosmic guest, the comet Borisov. This other visitor behaved exactly like a normal comet. It had a tail, expelling gas and dust. It was familiar. And by showing us what a natural interstellar object should look like, Borisov makes the behavior of Oumuamua and 3I Atlas all the more inexplicable, almost artificial. The mystery isn't just the occurrence of 3 strange objects, but the fact that of the 3 visitors we've seen, 1 seems perfectly natural and the others impossible by our current understanding. Mystery 4. The perfect cosmic clockwork. The fourth mystery is equally intriguing. In 2023, NASA's TESS satellite confirmed the existence of the star system HD 110067. It's not what we found, but how we found it. There, 6 planets orbit their star in a perfect gravitational dance, a mathematical resonance so precise that it works like the gears of a cosmic clock. Systems like this are incredibly fragile. The slightest gravitational nudge over billions of years should have broken this synchrony, yet this system is ancient and perfectly stable. The probability of it forming and remaining this way on its own is so low that it raises a disturbing question. Is it natural, or was it engineered? The interstellar beacon theory suggests that an advanced civilization could have arranged the planets this way to create an unmistakable transit signal, a pulse that would scream, "We are here," to anyone who was looking. A coincidence? Or an invitation? Each of these signals, individually, is an anomaly. Together, they paint a disturbing picture. And the fifth signal may be the most unsettling of all. But before we reveal it, a quick invitation. If you're fascinated by these mysteries, subscribe to the channel. Help us grow by leaving a comment and liking the video. Mystery 5. The stars that shouldn't shine. Returning to our debate, the Very Large Array recently mapped 60 white dwarf stars. Around 9 of them, it found something that shouldn't be there: excess radio emissions. The regions around these dead stars should be silent. Instead, they are glowing with the exact spectrum you would expect if a civilization were using magnetic fields to harvest energy from the star. Could they be Dyson spheres? A technology from a Type II civilization on the Kardashev scale? The data prevents us from ruling out this hypothesis. Of course, these 5 mysteries do not prove the existence of alien life. However, they are too solid to be dismissed. In short, the analysis of this data doesn't point to a confirmation of life beyond Earth, but it indicates that our instruments may be picking up the echoes of biology, technology, and engineering throughout the universe. If you found this shocking and intriguing, you might be interested in the dark forest theory. Click on the video now appearing on your screen and discover why finding alien life might be the most dangerous thing we ever do. Returning to the theme of this debate, we can conclude that the great astronomical question in focus is not, is there life beyond Earth, but rather, are we ready to accept that all these anomalies are not natural? The burden of proof is shifting. Biology leaves chemical traces, intelligence leaves patterns, and engineering on a cosmic scale leaves signals. And suddenly, all these signals are flashing on our dashboards. If you love exploring the mysteries of the cosmos, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you, and see you next time.